Hey, Patrick from Crafted Fractal here, and today I'm doing a special unboxing of some custom items that I actually had commissioned. So these are one-of-a-kind metal objects. I believe they're all metal. They have traveled across the planet in these uncertain times. They're made by a maker, independent maker named David Pilipovič from Slovenia. And I just had been following his Instagram stuff for a while, his Facebook stuff for a while. I reached out to him to commission something, and we were off to the races, did a lot of back and forth. And separately, I won a race basically to comment in a Facebook post fast enough that I won this top. I was able to buy a top from him. So yeah, I just am very excited because I've seen the top spinning, I've seen a video, and I've seen glimpses at the pen, but I haven't seen the final thing, the final photograph. And I was like, go wild, like use your creativity, here are some ideas. But he really used a lot of his own ingenuity, creativity. Yeah, and then there's a mystery item. So there's a pen, there's a spinning top, and there's a mystery item. I don't know anything about that one, but he asked me to send me the Crafted Fractal logo. So I sent him an SVG, and he did something with it. Anyway, that's what I'm doing here today. I'm super excited, so I may just go ahead and start opening. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. They're individually wrapped and sealed with the light matter logo. So David Pilipovič is also light matter. It's really cool. So wax seal on that, and on this as well, golden wax. I'm guessing this is the top, or maybe it's the mystery item, I don't know. Another golden wax seal. I would imagine this is the pen. Pick this up later. Some Mont Blanc refills, as requested in the commission. All right, so yeah, this is already so beautiful and exciting. Where to begin? I'm gonna do this one because I'm most curious about this shape. I wonder if it's the mystery item. Ooh, oh, that's surprise and delight, I was like, I'm gonna need to cut the wax off. Nope. Oh, wow. It's the top. It's the spinning top. Oh my gosh. It's got some cotton on it now to show in the camera. That is a custom spinning top from David Pilipovič, also known as light matter. And I've never spun a top like this before, so I'm gonna open all the things first and then I'm gonna do a little playing. Actually, I'm gonna spin the top because it's probably gonna spin for a while. It's got a little stand that it goes on. Just beautiful brass, gorgeous material. Lots of little details. The grip feels really nice. So I can put it on the stand if I want. Yeah, I guess maybe this will be the top area. This can be the package opening area. All right, let's see. So this came from Bruce Charles, I believe his name is. I didn't know that having a special surface like this is gonna help the top spin so much longer. And the bottom of it is actually not a point. Ball bearing. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. Right, so it's kind of rounded, right? I don't think it's moving around in there. I think that's just the shape. So yeah, but that's great because it's not gonna scratch the glass I was worried about. So yeah, apparently this is a whole thing of people who spin tops like this on a regular basis. This will help it spin for a lot longer. I'm just gonna stop talking and spin it. Oh God. Okay, wow, that's why we're doing it live, because it's more exciting that way. Patrick learns how to spin a top. Okay, well that's the idea, but I don't think that's enough force to keep it going long enough. All right, let's just let it go and see how long it goes. Ugh, it's really beautiful because all of the details kind of disappear and they just become variations of color in the light. So you can't see any divots. It's as if it's smooth, but the different smooth spots look different because they reflect the light differently based on their texture. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the mystery gift, which I'm just so curious to know what it is. Oops. You can tell there's a growing trash pile over here. This is so cool. So the camera cut out. My very fancy DSLR that I'm definitely using to shoot these videos with, I had to switch the SD card. Not that my iPhone ran out of space or anything. So you missed my initial reaction to this mystery gift. I was just so taken. It's incredible and beautiful and kind. So David took the Crafted Fractal logo and he put it on an everyday carry coin, which is completely gorgeous. And I'm absolutely going to carry with me. Got a lovely texture. I don't know. Thank you so much, David. This is so kind. Okay. Oh, and this spun for like another 2 minutes while the video was off. So I'll have to start again. I can't figure out how to get force and also the right direction. That'll have to do. If somebody were an expert top spinner, this would go a lot longer. I heard that when he spun it, it went 9 minutes. It spun for 9 minutes. And that, yeah, it's likely that it could spin for longer. So let's see. The Everyday Carry Pen. It's a mystery. It just, the attention to detail is really, just gets me. I love it. Woo! There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's delightful. That's gorgeous and absolutely delightful. Perfect size. And Got a nice head. Okay, apparently my camera doesn't like my reactions to things. Ran out of storage again. So I guess I have to be quick. It's telling me to move more quickly. Here are the details. It's got this lovely textured grip, textured bolt action fidget. And then the end cap is also that nice texture with just simple design details that really kind of make it otherworldly. My cat is playing with paper over here. Hi, Sage. So there may be some crinkles. We'll see. Yeah, should we see how it writes? Let's get the camera closer, maybe. Okay. So, my journal. You can see all my doodles. Cool. Yes. Oh. I was daydreaming. Mm-hmm. It feels really fun. Very smooth, just enough imprint. You know, there is ink, so there's a little bit of liquid, but it's not overwhelming. It's not smudging, that's the main thing. I keep wanting to twist it. The bolt action, that's awesome. Even faster than a twist. So yeah, this is how it writes. You can see my beautiful handwriting. But yeah, those are the things. It was protected with some nice foam so that it shipped well. And I almost missed because I was just throwing trash in the corner. But there's a certificate of authenticity for each of these two creations. For the custom bolt action pen, which is made out of brass in 2021. And for the top, made out of brass on the body and titanium for the stem. Just really incredible. Yeah, I don't know. Here it goes. It's still going. It blows my mind every time. These are going to be wonderful treasures for many years to come. I'm so grateful. And with that, I think we'll wake up from the dream. Thank you so much, David Pilipovič of Light Matter, and see you next time. Do you have childhood memories of spinning tops? Have you ever seen a top spin longer than 9 minutes? What's your favorite brass EDC gear that I should check out? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, follow Crafted Fractal on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Ooh, that's exciting.